In this video we will share with you how to save money with regular maintenance. Welcome to AutoCare 360. Here we discuss general insight into auto maintenance and uncover the investment opportunities available within the automobile industry. So subscribe to our channel for more educational videos. Regular maintenance is essential for keeping your vehicle in good condition and preventing costly repairs in the long run. Here are some tips to help you save money with regular auto maintenance. 1. Follow the manufacturer's maintenance schedule. Consult your vehicle's owner's manual and adhere to the recommended maintenance schedule. This will ensure that you address important maintenance tasks at the right time, such as oil changes, filter replacements, and fluid checks. 2. DIY maintenance. Learn to perform basic maintenance tasks yourself, such as checking and topping up fluids, oil, coolant, brake fluid, replacing air filters, and changing wiper blades. You can find instructional videos or guides online for many of these tasks. Doing them yourself can save you money on labor costs. 3. Keep tires properly inflated. Underinflated tires can decrease fuel efficiency and cause premature wear, leading to costly replacements. Regularly check your tire pressure and inflate them to the recommended level. This will help you save on fuel costs and prolong tire life. 4. Regularly change the oil and oil filter. Clean oil and a new filter keep your engine lubricated and protect it from wear. Neglecting oil changes can lead to engine damage and expensive repairs. Follow the manufacturer's recommendations for oil change intervals, and consider using high-quality synthetic oils that can extend the time between changes. 5. Replace spark plugs and air filters on time. Worn-out spark plugs can reduce fuel efficiency and affect engine performance. Similarly, dirty air filters restrict airflow and decrease fuel economy. Replace these components according to the manufacturer's recommendations to maintain optimal engine function and save on fuel costs. 6. Maintain a clean and organized vehicle. Regularly cleaning both the interior and exterior of your car can prevent damage from dirt, dust, and debris. This includes washing the body, vacuuming the interior, and using protectants on surfaces like dashboards and seats. A clean car is less likely to experience wear and tear, saving you money on repairs and depreciation. 7. Pay attention to warning signs. Be proactive in identifying and addressing potential issues. If you notice any unusual noises, vibrations, leaks, or warning lights on your dashboard, have them inspected by a qualified mechanic promptly. Catching and resolving problems early can prevent them from escalating into major repairs. 8. Shop around for parts and services. When you need to replace parts or have repairs done, compare prices and services from different auto shops. Get quotes and ask about warranties on parts and labor. Don't hesitate to negotiate or seek second opinions if needed. Remember, regular maintenance not only saves you money in the long run but also contributes to your safety and the longevity of your vehicle. We have some tools below this video you may consider. AutoCare 360 is your one-stop solution for setting up an auto shop. We specialize in designing tailored auto maintenance shop setup packages for a variety of auto maintenance shops. Tell us where you are watching us from. We will be happy to hear from you. Like, comment, and subscribe.